Mike Edwards here at Model Rail Scotland 2022 at another exceptional layout and another exceptionally different layout. This is Montague Field from the 57 study group. It has a bit of everything and it's quite unusual. Steve, where did this idea come from?
I'm afraid it's a figment of my fertile imagination. It's obviously based in the northeast of England, but nowhere specific, and it's not meant to be a copy of anywhere. It is a fiction.
I look at it and I think it's great, but I think dark. I think I don't want to say Middle Earth, but something Stygian. There's definitely something.
That's Satanic Mills, yeah.
Dark Satanic Mills, exactly.
Yeah. I am from Huddersfield, so maybe that explains that.
But clearly coal, clearly industry, heavy industry. Back in the day when heavy industry was heavy and it was, This viaduct that goes nowhere, lovely. That pier that stops suddenly, lovely.
Okay. The viaduct is actually based on a structure in Sunderland. Somebody gave me a photograph of it and I started to copy it. But because it's a fiction, I don't have to copy it exactly because I just can't. I'm not that good. I can build something that looks like a viaduct, but not perhaps a particular viaduct. So the inspiration just comes from a photograph I was given, and I thought, why not just start the Girder Bridge?
And we see quite often, and it's great, a waterfront, a wharf or a harbour or some kind of interaction with boats, and we've got that here.
Yes, indeed. One of my colleagues in the group, although I'm from Huddersfield, we are based in just outside Glasgow in Scotland. It is actually a puffer. It should be probably on the Clyde or the West Coast somewhere. I acquired drawings for one from a colleague, and I persuaded one of my friends in the 57 study group to build a puffer for me.
It's lovely. And what trains are we running here? What are we looking at? What period?
Well, it's meant to be, the clue's in the title of the 57 study group, it's meant to be 1957. So, northeast of England, somewhere, probably Durham, probably between the Wear and the Tyne, but not specifically any particular port.
Wonderful. Steve, I don't like layouts that are too clean and too new and too shiny. Okay. I like a bit more than just weathering. I like to see industrial grime because it's for that period it's accurate. And this is an absolutely exceptional layout and I think it's fantastic.
Right, thank you.
Thank you very much indeed for joining us, Steve, and more from Model Railway Scotland 2022 very shortly.